The 2026 BMW Motorhome is not just a luxury vehicle, it's a bold statement of innovation, design, and performance. Designed for those who demand the utmost in style, technology, and comfort, this motorhome redefines what it means to travel on the road. BMW, a brand globally recognized for its precision engineering and premium driving experience, has taken its core values and extended them into the world of luxury recreational vehicles. The result is a futuristic, dynamic, and deeply luxurious mobile living space that blends the thrill of driving with the comforts of a high-end home. At first glance, the exterior of the 2026 BMW Motorhome is striking. The sleek, aerodynamic silhouette is unmistakably BMW, with the signature kidney grille redesigned to suit the dimensions of a larger vehicle. The sharp LED matrix lighting wraps around the front and rear, giving the motorhome a sporty, assertive presence. Smooth surfaces, sculpted contours, and hidden door handles contribute to a modern, minimalist look. The bold alloy wheels and adaptive air suspension not only add to its visual appeal but also ensure a smooth ride over any terrain. Once inside, the luxury becomes even more apparent. The interior is a masterclass in craftsmanship and futuristic aesthetics. High-quality materials such as sustainably sourced wood, brushed aluminum, and premium leather are used throughout the cabin. Ambient lighting runs across the ceiling and sides, dynamically adjusting based on time of day or mood. The layout is spacious and intelligently designed, with a lounge area, a fully equipped kitchen, a deluxe sleeping zone, and a high-tech bathroom all seamlessly integrated into the living space. The living area features modular seating that can be rearranged depending on your needs, whether you're relaxing, working, or entertaining. Large panoramic smart glass windows provide natural light and privacy on demand with just a tap. The kitchen is outfitted with state-of-the-art appliances, including a convection stove, a smart refrigerator, and a water purification system. Every drawer and cabinet has been optimized for space efficiency without sacrificing aesthetics. In the sleeping quarters, you'll find a queen-size memory foam bed, noise-dampening walls, and climate-controlled surroundings that ensure a restful night wherever you are. There's also a retractable smart TV, wireless charging pads built into the side tables, and biometric locks for added privacy. The bathroom features a rainfall shower, a smart toilet with self-cleaning capabilities, and touchless lighting, blending functionality with sophistication. What sets the 2026 BMW Motorhome apart is its integration of cutting-edge technology. It's powered by BMW's latest all-electric drivetrain, delivering both power and eco-conscious performance. With a dual-motor setup, the vehicle achieves smooth acceleration, remarkable range, and regenerative braking. It supports ultra-fast charging, meaning you can get up to 80% charge in just under 30 minutes. Solar panels on the roof provide supplemental energy to run auxiliary systems and reduce dependency on external power sources. The digital interface is equally impressive. A curved OLED command center stretches across the front, offering real-time vehicle diagnostics, navigation, and smart home controls. Voice assistant integration lets you operate lights, appliances, and entertainment without lifting a finger. Augmented reality driving aids are projected onto the windshield, enhancing safety and ease of maneuvering such a large vehicle. Safety and convenience have also been elevated to new levels. The 2026 BMW Motorhome features Level 3 autonomous driving capabilities, allowing hands-free cruising on highways. Surround view cameras, intelligent parking systems, and advanced driver assistance systems ensure that both city streets and rugged terrain are handled with ease. Security features include remote monitoring, motion sensors, and satellite tracking. BMW also provides a connected ecosystem for motorhome owners through its mobile app. Users can schedule maintenance, locate charging stations, plan routes, and even monitor their interior temperature or appliance usage from their smartphones. Over-the-air software updates keep the vehicle's systems current, just like a luxury smartphone on wheels. Whether you're heading to a luxury resort or off the grid into nature, the 2026 BMW Motorhome delivers an unparalleled travel experience. It combines German engineering excellence with a bold vision for the future of mobile living. For those who crave freedom without compromise, performance without pollution, and design without limits, this motorhome offers a glimpse into the road trips of tomorrow, sleek, silent, and sensational.